What's the meaning of counterfoil? Counterfoil. Counterfoil.
Counterfoil. Counterfoil. A counterfoil is a part of a check or ticket that is torn off and kept as a record. It typically contains information such as the date, amount, pay, and purpose of the transaction. The purpose of the counterfoil is to provide proof of payment or receipt in case of any dispute or discrepancy. Counterfoils are often used in financial transactions, such as when paying bills or buying tickets for events. By retaining the counterfoil, both the payer and payee can maintain a record of the transaction and verify its accuracy.